Oh, you're not period 4. Rochelle, what did you do first? What am I going to write above or below this? And your A value is what? B value? Yep. Thank you. Caesar, what do you do next? What's your equation?
Period equals 2 pi over b.
So the period is 2 pi over b for now. What do you put in for your b value, Caesar?
1/2.
Let's turn it sideways. 2 pi divided by 1/2. Class, what happens? Turns to multiplication. 2 pi times 2 over 1 or 2. Your answer is, your pi is 4 pi. Raise your hand if you got 4 pi. Awesome. Class, tell me yes or no. Should the graph move left or right? How do you know that? There is no C value. There is no parentheses. Does that make sense? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frida, what goes over here? What goes over here? 0 plus 4. And 4 divided by 2 is? Yep. 0 plus 2. 2 divided by 2. And we're really counting by what? Brian, which direction do we work with in our equation? Right to left. So Brian, we just wrote down our x values. What do we do next? Yep. If you guys need to, you can also write the words multiply 1/2. That might be strategic because eventually the multiplications and additions will look identical. Brian, 1/2 times 0. Pi times 1/2. 1/2 pi or pi over 2. 1/2 times 2 pi. 2 pi over 2, which is pi. 1/2 times 3 pi. Good. And 1/2 times 4 pi. Remember, class, is just a fraction, 4 over 1. He's multiplying 1 times 4, which is 4 pi. 2 times 1 is 2, so 4 pi divided by 2 is 2 pi. Good job, Brian. Erica, what are we going to do next? So we did x, 1/2. Now we're going to evaluate at sign. Erica, sign at 0. Pi over 2. Pi. 3 pi over 2. -1. And 2 pi. 0. And then the last thing we're doing, Jenny, before you graph it, we did x, 1/2, we evaluated. Yeah, what math operation is that? That's division. Yeah, so we're going to multiply by 1/3. Multiply 1/3. Jenny, go ahead and multiply all those numbers by 1/3. 1/3 times 1.
1/3. 0.
Yep. Yep. Now, again, you don't have to graph this one in blue that I'm about to show you. I'm choosing 3 boxes because I can do 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, or 1. And this I can do -1. Class, do you have to graph 2 graphs? No. I want to show you what's happening. 0, 1, 0, -1, and then 0. But then you sit up with your friends all night long. 0, 1/3, 0, -1/3, and 0. What happened to your energy level the next day? Your amplitude kind of died, didn't it? And there it is. Clarify any questions your partner has. Ready, set, go. Questions? Alright, let's take some notes on vertical translation. Class, what letter? D, the last one.